recipe tonight is bitter gourd with egg. First, stir fry the tomato, garlic, and onion. As simple as that, with salt and black pepper. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. And the angels cry, holy. All creations cries, holy. You are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Ganyan ang mga anak ng Diyos. Kanta-kanta lang. That's all for tonight. Be kind. Spread love. And be happy. Mwah! Much love.